having a vast experience in biology. Most of you may not be knowing much about him because he was working as a principal in other region, recently only came. He's a very good biology teacher. I had an opportunity to work with him. So that's why we selected him. In turn, he picked up all of you in consultation with me, thinking that you will come out with a very good quality material. A guideline prepared by NBS headquarters is already forwarded to you, and some of you might have got some other chapters also for some other classes. So what my request is, pay a personal attention. Let the content, the chapter which is allotted to you, be the best. This is not only going to be used in the Hyderabad region, it will go to other region as well. That is the expectation of Commissioner. Because this work is not given to other regions, because they think that Hyderabad region will produce a best quality material which can be shared throughout the country in other regions. So responsibility part is a little more. Now what I observed, you prepare the content as per the flowchart, lesson plan, whatever it is given, but some video, a good quality video also to be prepared, like a classroom teaching. Suppose one chapter is having 4 or 5 video required, you keep 4 or 5 video also and incorporate in that. It's not that just one video, one class. You can make 3, 4, 5 videos also there is for that particular chapter, no problem. But the performance of that video should be of high standard. Nowadays I am observing the online classes of the schools every day, minimum 3, 4 classes I am observing of different teachers, different JNVs. The background, it is not presentable. Even just before joining with your team, I already observed some 4 classes of different JNVs. Some are taking from their home. Of course, there is no other alternative. But even in the school also, even the classroom, the blackboard, even the previous teacher used the board, even some of the classes I have seen, which was used in the month of March, date is there. In front of that blackboard, they are sitting and taking classes. Such a type of presentation should not be recorded for this particular e-content preparation. You request the principal, or already there may be having some good room, the studio type room, smart room, or any other room, from good background, good lighting. I already informed my concern to the principals also, in the principals group, how at least 1 or 2 rooms should be set up. Because now it is a time we cannot go back to the old now. Times are changing, situation is changing. We also should change accordingly. This online business will stay here. It is not going to be sent back, even if the school reopen. We have to adjust the technology. In the name of Navodaya, once something content goes out, it should be of high quality. That is my request. So you may be having other normal classes also. That is, you are dealing with only some 40 children or 30 children of your children. What is going on in the present one. But the one which you are going to prepare is going to be witnessed or watched by entire country. So the name of the organization and your credibility is also very important. So my request to all of you is pay very good attention. The content should be thoroughly prepared, and you take the help of some other teachers for recording that. Good quality HD camera, good microphone for recording, etc. And whatever other PowerPoints or other presentations, materials available from other resources, everything you can use. It should be an amalgamation of your teaching, presentation, all together in a good background with the lighting facility, so that it will be of high standard, everyone will appreciate. So now I request, this is my just expectation from all of you. I request Chandrasekhar to carry forward further.
Sir, thank you, sir. Generally, it so happens that when we get some work, we get excited for 1 or 2 days. Then after 2-3 days, the seriousness dies down. And maybe by the schedule end comes, we suddenly cook up something and try to just add some material that is available with us and finish it off with some or other excuses. This is generally the tendency that I have been part of content preparation for the last so many years in Bhopal region and Shillong region also. But the ultimate reality is that when we do that work, a particular chapter, if we do it with an intention and with a purpose, definitely it is going to be remembered and it will be useful for generation to come, because there is no curriculum change, there is no textbook change, the content will be utilized for many years to come. So what I can suggest you is, there are guidelines were given. Diksha app, we can download certain content. I have some 10, 12 PowerPoints. Maybe they are inferior quality, I don't know. But you can, if you send me the mail, I'll send you some PowerPoints of every chapter. You can download it. You can verify. It can be useful. We have prepared some content as a notes and some question answers also, that is available in Word format for all chapters. It is available. That also I will put it across to all of you. Every content you can use, that you can rather edit, change something, add something, and we can prepare a content that is genuinely useful. Yesterday I was going through the Dakshina video classes regarding biology. So 1 hour biology class. Dakshina is a powerful organization, and is an organization which is known by all the children, and we believe that that's the best organization. But definitely I tell you, the videos that we teach, Adinarayana when I observed his class, our Venkatramana when I observed his class, Raghavendra, Chari, Padma madam, Vijaya madam when she was at East Godavari, Raghavan sir himself, the kind of narration that you put in, that is very, very essential. That is missing elsewhere. So I believe that all of you are great teachers with the highest content ability and as well as narration ability. The only thing is, when we prepare e-content, let us don't carry forward with our emotions. We should concentrate on point wise, specifically whatever the diagram that we wanted to teach, we can put it across on the board directly before we start the class, then we can explain. One of our students who studied at JNV Srikakulam is actually leading content to prepared individual for AP state government. He prepares biology lessons in English. I'll send some lessons that he has prepared. They are live telecast in the TVs also by Saptagiri channel, by government of Andhra Pradesh directly. We can take some, what I can say, input from that video. We can take some input from Dakshina video. You are better than that, I can tell you. I have seen Adinarayana preparing some content. We worked together for a few years. We prepared some content. Obviously, it is far, far better. I heard great about Milind sir, Divakaran sir, Basara sir. So they're all, proven horses for the system. Now the question is, when I was thinking of only 5 people, 5 teachers for 15 chapters, I was thinking 1 unit I will give it to 1 chapter. Raghavan sir is very clear. Chandrasekhar, don't do that. I said, sir, 1 unit we can individually can make it. It's not an issue. I can take up 1 unit from my school. What he said was, we want outstanding material. Let the teachers prepare in a relaxed manner. Every teacher will be given only 1 chapter so that he can completely focus on that chapter, prepare some video lesson, content preparation, question answers, material from Diksha, PowerPoints, videos. We can put them across in a platform, and it should be the best in the country, I tell you. People should continuously use it for years together. 1 chapter, put a stamp of authority on that, the preparation, and just do it with pleasure. It may be taking time, another 4 days, 5 days. I shall request the authorities to extend this time if we are not completed. Let us don't worry with the time frame. 1 or 2 days here and there. But don't believe that it can be extended forever. For 1 chapter, first prepare a draft. What are you going to do? What are the steps that you should follow? Content narration, content collection, notes preparation, PowerPoint preparation, videos preparation, or videos downloading, or any other Diksha content downloading. We can help others by sharing the PowerPoints also. All of you, I added that PowerPoint, what I can say, that WhatsApp link, so that you please add your mail ID to there. So what happens, suppose Raghavendra is having some content on first chapter, he can share with others, those who are preparing. Some other, Padma madam is having content on 14th chapter, she can share it with it. Basara sir is having content on 11th chapter, it may not be his chapter, but he can share the content. Divakaran sir must be having some authority on a particular chapter. So I circulated the distribution of the work. Randomly it was not done. It was done with a purpose only. Most of the teachers were spoken about it. They have given their willingness. Now there is a chance. If some individual wanted to change, sir, I will do it 4th chapter. I am more comfortable with 4th chapter. I am not comfortable with 8th chapter. That internal changes we can do. You can send a small WhatsApp to me so that I'll talk to the particular teacher. We can do that. But the ultimate reality is that the content is going to be the best in the country. Even Kendriya Vidyalaya people should take this content. Even public schools should be able to use this content. I mean, I believe out of all the regions, I don't know whether they're preparing it or not. When Raghavan sir, a proven biology teacher, over years, 30 years he has been teaching, and still continuously he teaches. So under his guidance, sir, I shall assure you, we'll work, sir. This is going to be an outstanding team effort. All the teachers are excellent. I'll talk to them personally. Some of them I spoke to them. Individually, I'll talk to them, madams also, sirs also. I'm very happy to see you all on the screen. Individually, I can talk to you. I'll spend some time with you. Maybe some sort of thought process get exchanged between all of us. Now, I'll be very happy if any one of you say, now this is a platform, not that I speak for half an hour, Raghavan sir speak for half an hour and we just give some instructions and send it up. Now it's open for all of you. I shall note down all the points. Whatever you wanted to tell, whatever your difficulty that you face, whatever the conditions that you wanted to rather communicate, whatever the difficulties that can be there, you please tell us so that we will work on it, and definitely it is going to be a better platform so that another after 3-4 days we will have this sort of meeting scheduled tentatively during this period only. I will let you know one day in advance. If you are comfortable afternoon, we can do it in the afternoon. Not frequent meetings. Maybe one review meeting after 3-4 days. Then final before presentation, one review meeting. Now I will be very happy. Divakaran sir, I will be happy if you can say something. First start with Divakaran sir. Sir, please. Nice to see you. That embryo, endosperm embryo, everything is available there when you are.
Yes, sir.
So naturally get attached to that part. You know, I did research with bark. You know, we were discussing about that antipodals. So we have submitted a project to Bark Mumbai, that why there are 8 cells divided from one cell have different types of functions. So we started giving some nuclear radiation to that. But of course, I left that and went for another research. That's a different issue. So I have an affinity towards that embryo and all those things. So that attention rather made me to choose you. Sir, please, now you can talk.
Sir, good morning all, sir.
Sir.
Sir, problem I think we are facing means some other assignment also given, especially
sir. Raghavan sir should be able to sell.
Sir. Some 11th class 2 more chapters we have to prepare, sir. So if you are concentrating on... sir.
Sir, Raghavan sir. Raghavan sir. So we write down. Please write down. I am writing it down, sir. I'll talk to Raghavan sir.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Sir. Sir, please. Sir, tell whatever you want to tell, you communicate.
See what happened there, first come, first serve basis. So Chandrasekhar took a little delay. So that is why somebody picked up here.
Sir, I got a biotechnology first chapter to prepare in 12th class. And first 2 chapters of 11th class also there.
Sir, so can we shift to 11th
to the time schedule, we will give you a little extra.
Sir, please.
Okay.
Time,
instead of, what is the, Chandrasekhar, what is the time given by you?
Sir, up to 30th, sir.
Okay, we take up to July 5th.
Okay, sir. Sir, if you say now, it can start only on 2nd, sir.
No, sir.
I'm giving up to 50 because the others also maybe have the same issue.
Yes, same.
From my side. But actually, DC told 30th.
Yeah,
Sir,
some of them got 10th class also, sir. 10th class also they want to submit also.
In the class only, what
Something.
is the total number of chapter?
No, no, no.
Only very
no, no,
few.
sir, Raghavan sir, same
Ah.
teacher, 10th, 11th, 12th, I think we need to
Yeah,
work
yeah.
on, and
Yeah,
this
yeah,
must
sir.
be, 11th can be excluded, 10th, 12th can be given to a teacher because their focus will be there. 11th, there are other teachers that can be given also, sir. This is my
Yeah,
humble
yeah.
suggestion.
Now, see, at present, I am not giving any allotment to teachers. It is up to chairman.
Okay.
Mutually, you people should do it. And there may be some good people left out also. Doesn't matter
Ah,
if
yeah.
you can register the name and inform the coordinator and replace.
Sir,
Okay,
sir,
sir, okay, sir.
Prabhakaran, sir, let
Okay,
us
sir.
find out, sir, let us find out who is actually missed out. Not
Yeah.
that everyone will have a burden. We will discuss
Sir.
at the higher level. I think 12th
Sir,
we
sir.
need the best team. This is the best
With
team.
this
Yes,
team,
sir,
let
sir,
it be there. This team, let it be there.
Sir,
Let
sir.
it be. We don't touch this team. 11th, maybe some changes that we'll look into
Anyway,
it.
11th class not started. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
So it is little delay also okay, but give priority for 12th. After finishing
Okay,
that,
sir,
just
okay,
jump up
Yeah,
for
yeah,
11th, no problem.
That's a
Okay,
great
that
idea.
can be done.
When
That
we
can be
finish
done, sir.
12th,
No problem.
then we can start thinking about 11th. We'll add many people for 11th also. We can do that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That's the best one, sir. So 5th will be the date for 12th class, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Shailaja madam. Please unmute. That speaker is there. Just click on it. The speaker, click on it.
Okay, sir.
Please, madam.
Sir, my problem is, sir, in my school, quarantine center there, sir. 2 positive cases are identified so far. That's why we are doing work from home only. I'm at my native place, so I can do the
Lucky.
video recording and all. So, how to do it, sir? That I'm thinking, sir. Shall I take help from neighboring school?
Madam, we were given work to do class 10th Telugu also.
Sir.
So what we did was we called a professional person from outside. He should that take classes with the camera. So I think maybe some sort of arrangement, something like that, with a better camera, 1 or 2 hours. You please talk to your principal. I think money cannot be an issue. Okay, see, I am not going to pay the money, but it is a regional office with the permission from principals. I think you can explore that option, madam.
Okay, sir.
Your principal, I can talk to him. Who is your principal?
Suresh Babu, sir.
Suresh Babu, sir. Kadapa, na?
Uh,
No, I'll tell. No, don't worry. I'll talk to him. You please tell him some
okay.
sort of some handicap or something else. If you can continuously teach one chapter, some 2 hours teaching may come. Don't be extending beyond that level.
Okay, sir.
3, 4. Be brief in explanation and all those things. Otherwise, we take 6 to 7 classes. If that is the case, it becomes 1000 GB and it will not be available wherever you wanted to put also. That what I was trying to tell you, that Dakshina, I will post the link. They exhaustive. It is very exhaustive. Children will sleep if you listen to that lesson.
Okay,
Content direct, you can go through it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Srilata, madam. Madam Srilata, please.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Ah.
Sir, the time schedule said that is on 5th, 5th is Sunday. So can we do on 6th, no?
Madam?
5th, the July 5th is Sunday.
Madam, let
So
us
we
think
can-
that only. It will be adjusted. Don't worry. One chapter. Now, first, suddenly don't think about 5th July. It will disturb us. Okay.
Then, sir, so about the classes, as you
Sir.
said, there is no need of much explanation. As you said, it is explanation ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए ना? So we go to chapter दिया है.
No, please. What I'm trying to tell you is, don't be so narrative. I'll post you a lesson. I'm not suggesting you that is the best one. So there are few options that are available. Try to, that's the embryo already has kept something on the board. He can directly explain on it. If you start drawing it and explaining, it may take time. So there are certain things that you should rather plan in the mind and start doing it. Madam. Okay.
Sir. So it should not be so much elaborative. Huh?
Content should reach the child. Because, you know, for video lesson, if you shoot, it will become 300 to 400 GB.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, MB. If you reduce
yes.
it also, it comes out to 40 MB. So 3 lessons, one chapter, 3 lessons, it will become almost 120, 140, 150 MB. So if it is 16 lessons, it will become so much. That's what I am trying to tell you. Okay. We will, if possible, I will call a professional. We'll convert them also. Video converters will convert them into a better, pixel with less space. There are softwares are available. That part, once you send it also, we may try to do that. There are, Raghavendra is an expert. We will have his services also. So there are certain people we'll call outside expert also. We shall try to adjust that space also. Okay, madam, thank you. You can disturb me at any time. WhatsApp is there. That WhatsApp is not for good morning or pension or some other China activities. Please let us restrain from all those activities. Only biology content discussion only. We have nothing to do with other issues that are plaguing India. No Corona, no China, no banning of the China, nothing as such. No good morning. Whatever the content that you have, biology content you can show. Padma madam, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No, but you are not visible properly. You are sitting in darkness. Please, madam. Padma madam, link got cut. Basara sir, we will come to Raghavendra a bit later. Raghavendra and Adnarayana will disturb later. Basara sir, please.
Hello sir, good morning.
Namaste,
Good morning.
Nice to see you. Please.
Thank you. Only problem is, as Divakaran sir told, we have been allotted with 11th class.
That is, gave the clarification that he gave already. No problem.
Okay, then there is no issue.
Whenever I spoke to anyone, everybody says Basara should be there, Basara should be there from Bagalkot, Basara is from Bagalkot. There are 3 PhD biologists there. Elizabeth, yourself and your principal also. So there are 3 people together there. So obviously, if someone says our name repeatedly, it's not a small thing, sir. Why should people take your name? There must be something, isn't it? Otherwise, we unnecessarily discuss. We don't gather everyone here. Obviously, you are proven hard. You are continuously have to run. That's all. You will make you run. Don't worry. Vijayan sir, please. Vijayan sir, good morning. Vijayan sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, namaste. Nice to see you. Please tell me.
Thank you, sir. And we got one happy news that the estimate date up to 5th July. I was worried about the time available for preparation. So that's the happiest.
I tell you, sir, please, genuinely, I tell you, 2-3 days, if you sit together, one chapter, I think we can make it, sir. Up to 5th is much better, I'll tell you.
Okay, sir, sufficient time is there.
Good, sufficient time is there. Raghavendra, my dear, now you guide us, sir.
Sir, actually, the concept of econ preparation is so great. As you told, it can be utilized for many generations.
That's great.
So I am very happy to join with you people to prepare the e-content, and I won't take it as a burden. And for me, so far, no problem, sir. Only the problem in the recording of video, and because we don't have such a good facility in our school. But anyway, I will find out some solution by using some people from outside or my colleagues, and I will do it better.
Isn't it? You are in Trivandrum.
No, I am in Kollam, sir.
Sorry, Kollam. Kollam, you are there in Kollam. We will. You can talk to your principal, sir. You can hire a professional also.
Sure.
Talk to him. If you are ready, they will just record it. That video will be given. We will. They will convert it. That also you can do it. Don't worry.
Sir, I will try.
Take the help of the principal. They will do
that. Sure, we'll do it, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Adnarayana sir. Adnarayana sir. Adnarayana sir, namaste. Sir, now Adnarayana sir, can you speak? No, he did not unmute. Actually, he is unmute. No. Unmute. Unmute. Okay, we'll go for Shailaja madam. Shailaja madam. Okay, who else is available? Padma madam. Padma madam, can you say?
Hello.
Let us listen to the coordinator also, Vijaya.
Hello, sir.
Let your Vijaya also talk, coordinator.
Vijaya madam, I'll give it at the end, sir. Vijaya, I'll make a talk at the end.
Okay.
Kept it
Vijaya
in my
and Simi is waiting for talking.
Yeah. Someone else. I think Raghavendra Raj ji.
Sir, can you hear me, sir? Sir, good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all. Thank you very much, sir, Raghavan sir, and others for selecting me as coordinator. Sir, I did not get any letter regarding the distribution of chapters, sir. The message I did not get. I was listening.
It is kept in the WhatsApp, madam. It is kept in the WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. I will see. I will check it up, sir.
Please check it up.
Sir, my humble suggestion is that different teachers can be allotted with the different chapters and also classes. Same teacher need not be given 11th and 12th, I think, sir, because they may not be able to put maximum concentration, and they will be overburdened also. So different PGTs can be allotted different classes, 10th, 11th and 12th. I think some teachers are free now. Even my PGT is free. She told me to exclude her, but I will incorporate her also. Her help I will get if I get some materials. Like that, some PGTs are excluded now. They can also be allotted with some works, I think.
Madam.
Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, any
whatever works are there, you please forward to me. I am ready to do, but technically I am not very much equipped with good knowledge. Technological knowledge is poor for me. I will try to do it. Our computer science teacher on part-time basis is appointed in our school. He is ready to help. So I will try my level best, sir. Thank you.
And madam, values are more important than the tools. Okay, we have hidden values in our tools only help us. Best teacher cannot decide out of the tool. Best teacher is inside. Tools will help us. That's all. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we'll do that. Someone, Padma Madam, Adinarayana, those who have missed, I am not able to tell one or two names. I am not getting. If you wanted to add, otherwise we will wind it up with a few closing remarks by Raghavan sir. If someone wanted to speak, Uttaman Nair sir. Adinarayana sir. Sir, please.
Hello.
One of you. Adinarayana or Uttaman.
Myself Uttaman.
Please. Adinarayana, please. Somebody please.
Myself is talking, sir. For me, this sound is not clear. So this discussion is all better. If you are posting it in WhatsApp, it is better. Then my side, okay, of course, that work is good, econ preparation. But what I want to tell you, just this time limited. But I heard that it is somewhat 5th July. If it is somewhat extending, it is better. Thing is that we have this what called online class also, 3 hours and preparation. And moreover, the people like me, somewhat aged, and we don't have that much technical skill also. So the fixing that by 5th, better to extend some more 2-3 days more, at least by the 10th July it is somewhat better. Okay, sir, what I said.
Okay.
That much only, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
And similarly, this other content also, this extra work, better distribute equal to all PGTs, that's class 11 and 10, that work also. So the selection is actually this group, of course, we produce some good result, that is why it is selected this group. So others also, it is, they can also do the same thing. 11th and the 10th, better to give them. Okay, sir. That much only I can say.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, I think, Raghavan sir, we'll give last option to someone who wanted to join. Please, anybody voluntarily you can unmute and speak. Others, anyone can unmute and speak. It's the last option because it's sufficient. We had a lengthy discussion.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Madam, Srilata, madam, please. Madam, please.
Sir, in normal classes, we are downloading the video from the YouTube, but that cannot be incorporated in such type of classes, no? We cannot incorporate, no?
Madam, that YouTube, if you can download, cut it with certain tools. If you can cut the tool, cut it with certain tools, incorporate. There's nothing as such. You need a proper narration. If it is supported by any video, thousands of videos, lakhs of videos are available on Heart itself. It should not be reflected in such a way that it was downloaded elsewhere. There are certain tools which you can download, cut it accordingly, change the structure, or incorporate into the lesson.
So such a type of editors we can do now. I thought we should not do such type of commercially. We should not download and use it.
No, it should not be in such a way that we simply gather some information from sources. Raghavendra sir wanted to tell something. Please.
Sir. Creative. Yes,
yeah, that is great. That's great. That's great.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
In this connection, that Srilata was talking, don't take the video of other teachers taking classes.
That's great. That's wonderful.
It's only narration, absolutely no problem. With the due credit you can take, but don't take it when you are taking class. Don't keep another teacher of some private school video as it is, but they are talking. That doesn't look nice. Remaining slides, everything with the permission that we copyright violating, definitely you can use it. But in many private issues, such in YouTube, there are many other teachers' videos available. Maybe some government, some private, something. But that doesn't look nice. We put in our platform. So better, if only audio narration and if a presentation is there, no problem, because we don't know who is talking. But as if some other teacher coming in our downloading and keeping in our video, I think it is better. Instead of that, you yourself can teach that and record and keep it. That will be more better. And one more thing is, I already informed all the principals, the consent of DC, the principals group. Some of the schools are not having well recording system. So Raghavendra can also guide for that. And I request the WhatsApp group you are going to create, share all the resources available mutually and give some input how better a video can be prepared. I request the principals also. I think it is Chandrasekhar knows. I have posted in the group, our principals group. Every school should have at least 1 or 2 good quality recording setup. We are given officially permission by using the amount from the NBN or computer head or audio head, any platform, any head. And principals, if they wish, they can definitely do it. It is not there. It is your responsibility to just convince and approach the principals to make up. Some principals may not be very much that is why I'm telling. Be messaged with the concerned commissioner that every school should have at least some good recording facilities high quality material. Every room may not be possible, at least 1 or 2, which does not require huge amount. Raghavendra also can guide what are the basic materials for that, because he is already in such a technological tools. Okay, that's my request.
Sir, any other wonderful suggestions from any one of you, please? If it is not there, we can just call it a day as such. Nice talking to you. Vijaya Madam, I'll talk to you personally. We have wonderful teachers with us. We'll talk to them individually. I'll talk to you personally also. I think the most important point is high motivational levels and feeling to contribute in an effective way, which all of you are having. Nice talking with all of you. Raghavan sir is there with us. He is very kind to listen to us. We'll disturb him repeatedly. People like Raghavendra, Adinarayana, Basuraj, there are great people are there. They will guide us also. It's not like that, it's a learning process. None of us are complete. When someone is good at narration, someone is good at skills, someone is good at maybe some sort of drawings. Some of you might have prepared wonderful notes also in a Word format. I'll share the Word format in the WhatsApp group soon. All the notes that is available with me that we have prepared. So you can add anything that is required. I think we are going to make a wonderful content. I think we have done a good beginning. We'll talk only after 3 days. So in the meantime, let us come out with all the issues. Every day talking, it doesn't make any sense. Maybe a Monday we'll join again by 11:30. I think all of you be ready. Adjust your classes accordingly. It's not a big deal. 11:30. The reason is there are some power issues associated with us. If you don't have proper power and the timing, unnecessarily I'll be disturbing all the teachers. Making officers waste their time is not good. 11:30. Another half an hour. Next time we'll restrict ourselves for half an hour. No formalities, no ice breaking, no discussion, no introduction. We can discuss only issues and what are the advancements that we have done. Any other sessions we can go. WhatsApp is there. Raghavendra just said he will post all the information. Just now I posted one video lesson. Go through it. May be useful to you. Don't think that, sir, you have posted that lesson. I made it like that only. They are all informative only, not suggestive also. If you believe that you can make like that, we can improvise upon. Another lesson I have with mutual growth. I will post that also. Slowly we will inch. But now the most important thing is you start thinking how best I can make. How can I take the help from others? Where I get struck, where someone can help me. I think you should be able to do a better presentation. If someone else, if anyone wants to speak, we can allow them. Otherwise, we can find it. Sir, Raghavan, sir.
Okay,
Raghavan, sir.
It's a nice meeting.
Sir, thank you.
A lot of information are shared. I think Raghavendra will share certain more information in that group.
Sir,
okay.
definitely.
So it is going to help others also, and the resources which is, suppose if you are having one resource, a chapter only in, but another chapter is something you can share with other people also. It's a mutually you can share and discuss and do and come out with a wonderful presentation. Wish you the best. Thank you.
Thank you. I think I'll sign it off. Please, you can disturb me on my phone at any time. Don't worry. I give you the number also. Please write down my another number which is available comfortably. This is WhatsApp group we have created. That number is there. 70050 70050 3300 3300 70050 3300. Yeah. This is kept in the WhatsApp also. I gave it. This is allotment. Teachers allotment is there. We were given as that. You have seen that what are the things. No need to go through that guidelines. PPT, activity, questionnaire, all the guidelines that are given. Please go through that page number. That please follow that instructions. That is very essential. Not many suggestions from my side. Just I can only, this is only ice breaking and to motivate you. I think we have achieved that. We will get the input from teachers like Divakaran sir, Basavaraju, Raghavendra, Minil Kumar. There are great teachers are there, Adina Arena. They have been doing this work in the best way. Uttaman Nair is also a proven teacher. Yeah, we'll see. Some checklists are given. We will share also. I received some, we have some content with me. Whatever the checklist before taking a lesson, I don't know whether I'm visible or not. We'll share it in the WhatsApp. Okay, go through it. They're all suggestive only. Don't think that we are trying to impose anything on you. Whatever the content is there, it will be given to you. You can work on it. Okay. If I think we can sign it up. Sir, namaste to all of you. Nice time spent together. Talking to scholars like you, always a pleasure. Okay. Thank you. I am just signing.